What's up guys, I trust you are well. Allan Cantos is back again for another video on how to build a Revit family, and for today's video, I will show you how to create a serrated bottom plate with slatted hole voids Revit family. Let's get started. Open Revit, create a new family, and I will be using the metric generic model face-based family template. We will begin by creating the teeth void of our serrated plate. So go to the front view and we will trace the teeth void profile. Create an extrusion. Make a vertical line at 1.5 mm tip and rotate it at 45 degrees as shown. Extend it to the reference level and mirror it as shown. Then copy it for about 25 multiple times. Next, select everything and we will mirror it to the center line. Let us complete the process of making this a closed polygon as shown. Once we are happy with the shape, click the check icon to accept the changes. Next, go to the reference level, drag it a little bit upwards, then we will add a couple of horizontal reference planes. Add dimensions and make it equal to the center line. Then add an overall dimension. Select the dimension and we will assign a shared parameter. And let's call it flat plate width. Next, align and lock the shape to the reference planes as shown. Next, go to the 3D view. And we will convert this from solid to a void. Then using the cut geometry tool, let's create a void to the face. And now we have created the tooth void profile. Next step is to make sure to tick the box saying cut with voids when loaded. Now we are ready to save the family. And I will call it Serrated bottom plate teeth void. Next, we will recreate the flat plate, but this time we will be using different parameter names. So again, create a new family and I will be using again the metric generic model face-based family template. The process is going to be the same from the last video. The only difference now is that I will be using a different parameter names. If you missed that video, I will leave a link to the description and another link will appear right now on the top right corner of your screen. Now that we have completed the modeling of flat plate and tested it to make sure it is working properly, we can bring in now the slatted hole family we have created in the previous video. There are two ways to do this. You can either open the family and load it to the project, or by using the insert menu on top, then select load family. If you placed it in the wrong orientation, select it again. Just press the spacebar to rotate it 90 degrees. Next, go to the reference level, then align and lock the slatted hole to the reference planes as shown. As you may recall from the previous video about how to create the slatted void Revit family, we did not tick the share checkbox, and because of that, I can link the nested parameter to the host family parameter. Next, let's assign a material and add a new material type parameter as a shared parameter. And let's call it Serrated bottom plate material. Then click OK, another OK, and select the newly created parameter, and click OK, then OK, and another OK. Then let's give it a test. Next, let's create a new material by duplicating the default. And name it Serrated bottom plate material. Change all the pattern to solid fill. And choose the color of your choice. As you can see, there is no way for me to control the size of the slatted void. So what I'm going to do next is to assign a family type parameter to the slatted void called slatted void size, which we have created in the previous video as shared parameter. Then I'm going to group it under visibility and click OK. Next, let's go back to the Serrated plate tip void family file and let's load it to the project. Since this is a face-based family, we can host it to the top face of the flat plate. Next, go back to the reference level and we will align the newly loaded family center line to the host center line. Similarly, with the slatted void family, I can also link this nested parameter to the host parameter. So next time we update the width parameter of the host file, we don't need to update the parameter value of the nested family. Let's give it a test. As you can see, it is now working parametrically. Next, we can now create multiple types according to the specific sizes. If you know the sizes and have added them as new types, we can now save the file and let's call it Serrated bottom plate. And this concludes the video for today. On my next video, we will be creating the serrated top plate. Kindly support my YouTube channel by smashing that thumbs up button. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my new videos. Have a great day, God bless, and thanks for watching. Cheers!